Hey everybody, and welcome to my N5 series on the SP404 Mark II, where I cover a topic in about 5 minutes. This is session 11.5, and today I was going to take and use this kind of chopped up noise riser thing that we recorded, and we'll add that into the drums and come up with a couple different variations. So first thing, let's go to pattern mode. Gotta get back to the right bank here. And as usual, let's just copy some stuff over just so we have backups we can go to. Record here. And I'm going to go into rehearsal mode first. Oh, sounds fun. I'll do that. Sounds a little low to me for all of these pads. As we kind of build up, we'll see how it goes through the mix. I want to make another variation of this too. I think this is kind of neat, but I think there's some other patterns maybe worth exploring. So, exit. We want to copy just the drums again. Do another pattern. Record. Maybe. I'm just trying to listen to it to kind of see how I like it. Let's just try one more. We'll do another pass at it and see what we can come up with. I feel like there's a missing hit on the one, maybe? Maybe? I don't know. We'll kind of see how it works. Anyway, that's just kind of taking some of that noise that we had, adding kind of to our drum pattern, and we'll keep going in the next session. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Keep making music, and peace.